Hello, I was asked earlier about how I find action hooks, filters, etc. in different plugins to know what I can hook into and how I can do it from somebody that didn't code. And I'm going to show two ways that I do that depending on what I'm looking for, how I'm looking for it. So first of all, I'm going to use Notepad++, and I'm going to do a search, a find in files. I've already got Shaw members, which is what I was doing for this person, as the files to look through. So I'm going to do a search in Shaw members. I'm going to look in only PHP files, and I'm going to look for do action. Do action. And if I do find all, you'll see it returns a list of lines and files that contain do actions. So they are things that I can then hook into for add actions. Sometimes I need to see what has been done by a plugin, so a add action. So I'll just do the same again, and you'll see here we get all the add actions that are used by this particular plugin. And I will do one more, which is add filter, which allows me to see things that are filterable. So again, we're looking in PHP, add filter, and again we'll see all the filters that are available to us in Shaw members. Now, there is another way I do this, and sometimes I find this useful. So I have a command prompt here. I've got the files here to save me typing them. We'll do add action actually, because I'll do filter actually, because filter had quite a few in it. So this will pretty much run a grep to look in PHP files for the term add filter, and they will output the output of that search to addfilters.txt, and that has done. And if I open that folder, you'll see here add filter txt, and if we open that in our Notepad++, you'll see all the filters here, where they were, roughly the line they were on, the files they're in, and you can then go and have a look at the files and see if they do what they want to do and how they do. But that's how I use those two options to look in plugins to find filters, actions, and other things that I need to look into or be able to do things with. Thanks for watching.